Well, this looks utterly depressing. What happened to your bikes? Where's the 701? Where's the SM610? Where's the 1190R Adventure? Well, SM610 and Adventure. Okay, so what's replacing everything? What happened? Did you need the money? I mean, is your cocaine habit that bad? You know, heroin is easier. You can grow your own poppies. No, I had some time to think because this happened. Four and a half years later, I have my first accident on the road. Fucking Uber driver on his cell phone went left right in front of me from a straight or right turning lane only. Toyotas, they don't make them like they used to. I'm fine. I mean, this whole side had soft tissue damage. Here's some pictures. So, nothing broken, strangely enough, huh? But then again, I was dressed for it. Shoes, former Cooper boots. They took a lot of damage. The eyelets were torn out. Jeans, X-Culture biker jeans, retrofitted with D30 armor. What do I have? A Triumph leather jacket, also D30 armor, retrofitted. It's a pattern here, huh? Alpine Stars and SMX1 air gloves. They tore a little bit, also need to be replaced. They didn't expose my skin, but I did get rash, road rash on the couple of fingers inside the glove from the abrasion. Happens. And of course, my helmet was a Shui GT Air, the first version. Couple of scratches this side. Happens. How bad was the crash? I was going about 60-65 and just managed to pull the brakes, but I still flew across the intersection, came to rest on the other side of the curb. It's an experience. I just blacked out. I just came to lying there, and first thing I did was wiggle my toes and fingers, because worst thing that could have happened, paraplegic. And after that, pain started, like I said, a lot of tissue. Coming back to safety here as well. Your gear is 100%, but in Africa, or all around the world, where paramedics don't know how to pull these special release zips to get your helmet off. No, they don't know crap. First responder on the scene, a nice lady. Who can I call? Who can I call? Who am I? Luckily I was wearing an ICE ID bracelet. I just pointed. Phone, because I had the wind knocked out of me. I was just struggling to breathe. Happens. So, because if I was unconscious, they wouldn't have known. I don't want to go to a public hospital. I still want to hug my kids the next day, not have them bury me in the ground. Although they should bury me ass up so everybody can kiss. Never mind. So I've now had stickers made with the emergency ID, who am I, my medical aid, allergies, medication is listed on. So at least, hopefully, the idiots will get it right. Oh well. That gear has already been replaced. It was a pittance. Helmets are always on sale in this economy. Shoes as well. Mind you, finding shoes in USA 13, I had to import them all the way from Europe. Us big freaks, the only place where you will get size 13 boots is the Enduro shop. And we're coming to that shortly. So, while I was, being released from my mental prison, with painkillers and all the good stuff, I realized that the SM610 and the 1190 needed to go. I didn't know why or how, I just felt, let them go. So off they went. The 701, accident damaged, but not accident damaged like you might think it. Damage is about 40,000 Rand, which is nothing. Divide by 16 to get the US dollar amount. Go on, I'll wait. See, not that much, is it? It's coming back on Monday. It's been in the shop for 1.5 months because nobody here has got stock anymore. Nobody wants to put the capital outlay in South Africa. It's an expensive hobby. So, 701 is still here, heavily modified. I'll probably trade that in for a 790R Adventure when they have stock in February. It's October now, 31st, Halloween. By the way, if you're asking, is this my Halloween costume? Yeah, it is. Because I thought this is the easiest way to do it. So, plans for the future. First thing, a vehicle upgrade. Well, not really. My dad wanted a new vehicle. I bought the old Ford Ranger Wildtrak off him. Beautiful piece of kit. Good for tall people. Lots of low-down torque. It's the 3.2 version. Ish. Look, Ford is okay. It's designed in Australia by those convicts. It's a little bit cheap, a lot of plastic. And don't get me started about the entertainment system. That thing tried to do a firmware update and crashed itself, so it has to go in and be changed. Hey. Nice tonneau cover. And of course, a bull bar, you know, to hang some blue balls from. No, I'm not that kind of person. Okay, so I've got the vehicle upgrade. What did I say? Oh yes, Enduro. And my next purchase, mid-November, is, well, a bike where I will fit all of this good stuff. Radiator braces, fork savers, exhaust crash plate, oil mixing bottle. You know where this is going. Yeah, I'm going the Enduro route. And I will be purchasing a 2020 KTM 300 XCW TPI. So yeah, heading the Enduro route. Why? Because apparently I've got the legs to do it. That's according to my chiropractor, Rado. He's 130 years old and he did the tin roof of Africa. Okay, he's not that old. He's actually 136. So anything happens to me, at least he can bend me straight again. Something that a priest or the Catholic Church would never be able to do. Yeah, I know. My humor is still off-putting as always. So that's a quick update. Hope you enjoyed the pictures of my ass. Yeah, my ass was there as well. So if you want to see a pasty backside, scroll backwards. Leave a thumb down button so I know that you do not want me to make these videos in future. Yeah, but future is all these accessories will be added on, and seeing I'm a complete noob for the Enduro, I'll probably do a top-end rebuilding video and all that good stuff. And until then, thank you for tuning in and wasting your bandwidth on me. Goodbye.